All right, part 3. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to talk about beveling things. Okay, here we go. Let's start with, as you know, look at the bottom here. I don't know if you could see, there's a slight bevel. There's a slight bevel. If things weren't beveled, folks, we'd be cutting our hands everywhere. So everything around you that you touch has a slight bevel, or else would be, this would not be conducive for us. Like, we would be getting cut up like you wouldn't believe it. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to select this piece, put my, right here. See? Wireframe on. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. This is super, super, super important. Look at my scale. Before I do the next part, before I bevel this next part, write this down in your notes. I need to change the scale transform to be ones. Okay, so Control A, scale. Look what it did. It changed it to 1. Look here. Right here. That's my scale, right? I need things. The next operation needs that everything to be at 1 to be clean, to the operation to work. So look what I'm going to do. Control A, and press Control A. Go to scale. Done. Go this one again. Doesn't have ones, right? Because you'll understand this. That Control A, scale. All right. Check it out. If I press /, hides everything else. So here's what I have, Mr. Balian, right here. Okay. I'm going to tab in. Get under the hood, right? Select the face, press I again, you get what I mean. So it's good to have faces, okay? Look at that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this whole outer ring, which is edge. Look at this. If I click one, double click, nothing happens. But if I select Alt left click, it selects the entire loop. Again, watch here. Alt left click, it selects the entire loop. So what we're going to do is go here to bevel, okay? We're just going to go like that. We're having fun here. Now notice, as soon as you do that, you're not seeing it rounded until such time as you select bevel and increase the segments. Look what segments does. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Designers love this stuff. We do. So again, Alt left click, get the entire loop. Lovely. Bevel, right? Watch this. Okay, this one, because I kind of created a limit here. All right, so please do not try to do everything at the same time, meaning that select the top and the bottom at the same time and bevel them the same, okay? So notice that I may have, like, I'm going to change my mind. I want to rotate this on the y-axis because I think this should be here. This should be the top. Okay, watch this. See the green axes? R, Y, 90. Oh, it just rotated 90 degrees. Okay, undo. Control Z. Come on, Control Z. I want to flip on the Y, rotate on the 180 degrees. So R for rotate. Which axis? Y, 180. Sweet. Look how nice that's going to look now. See? That little bit right there. Okay? Okay, what I want you to do is practice beveling, but just take your sweet time, okay? Look over here. This is ready. If I move this over, here, I'll do it this way. Shift D, X. I'm going to come over here. Tab, get into the engine. Oh, no, don't tell me I selected. I made this straw in edit mode, which is a really bad habit. This is all happening to me. Okay, anyway, here it is. I have this. I'm in bevel right here. Look. Just a slight bevel right there. Go open it up. Give me some numbers. 2 or 3 is good. Okay, look how nice that looks. Tab out. Tab in. Excuse me. Woo-wee. All right. There it is. So now, if I stay in this Y mode here, orthographic, this one, Shift D, X. Look how nice that looks. Okay. All right. So now we'll grab this. Oh, well, I don't have that one. So what I'll do is I'll duplicate this piece here. Shift D, watch this. Shift D, X. Okay, here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is, ready? This is going to be super tricky, so I'm debating if I should do this or not. There's so many ways to do the same thing, but anyway, I'm going to, because I want the bottom to be tapered, right? So what do I know so far? So I know, oh God, what have you done? Okay, anyway, I'll grab my scale tool. Watch this, scale tool. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. Basically, I want this to be something like this, right? I have a problem, Houston. Look, bring it underneath. It does not fit, right? Okay, okay. I'm in orthographic view. If I press S, does that work? Kind of does. I need to scale, kind of bring in. This is not the best way, and I really messed up because I have a bunch of faces to select here at the bottom. Watch this. So here's what I'm going to do. Look at this. This is super tricky. Why? Orthographic view. Go to Superman mode right here. Go to edit. Okay. Now I'm going to just grab the vertices. These are the points. I'm going to go like this. If you do not do this in Superman mode, this is not going to work. Watch this now. S. Look how nice that is. This is a very difficult way of doing it, but you'll appreciate it later. Okay, there it is. Tab out. Done. Tab in, tab out. I'm going to say it so many times, it's going to be ingrained in you. Now look at this. I just kind of eyeballed it. Okay, not bad. It works, right? I'll go here right now, and I see, oh, before I add bevel, I'll press Control A, scale, zoom in here, and I'll come in here, get my tab going, Object, Edit, go to Edge Mode, Alt left click. Great, got this. Bevel, bring it up. Right there, just like that, just very subtle, okay? And also, look at the number. Sometimes you go, oh, what's 0.03 something? I don't know. What if I go 0.035? Now I know. Next time, if I do another piece, I know that number. So for now, segments, 1, 2, 3. If I want to go to 4, I do 4. If I want to go 5, 5. And I'm telling you, these computers that we're on in the classroom, they're almost 5 years old. I think they're 5 years old. They can't handle too many of these faces, so we'll do our best, okay? So here we are. Look how nice this is. In a short period of time, you're able to go from creating simple things, duplicating them here, and then adding bevel, clear out the scale. Look at this end product. Look how nice that is, okay? Now, if I want to design this next part of the lid, I'm going to show you something else in the next lesson, okay? So far, so good. So now the next part of your presentation for me, your deliverable, is taking a screen grab of your version of this. Again, the 2 circles here on wireframe. Okay, here we are. 1, 2, 3. Take a screen grab of this, put it in your slides. I think I'm going to end right here. Thank you very much, folks. Bye for now.